Hi guys, sometimes I review product, some companies support my channel, so to keep it going and show some good movies for you guys, if you like it, because you put some thumbs up and left the comments. So today I will review a fan, multifunctional fan from company Savior Cool. You will find descriptions and link below. So it came in a box, nice box, and inside it's a detachable high-speed power bank fan. Let me open it. Box, manual. It's English actually, yeah. Sometimes I'm surprised. Manual and Chinese only, but it's English. So what it came? Let me switch to close view. Okay, now I switch to close view, and you guys see a bunch of adapters, but we'll show you later. It's fan itself, detachable. It's a high speed, it's a 70,000 RPM high speed, and this will come with battery or battery bank. And here is a holder, adjustable degree holder. And its battery is 4000 milliamperes, which runs this motor from 45 to 320 minutes, depends of speed. And it's very light. It's only 360 gram. So what we're gonna do? I just attach it. And here's a button on, and it has 1, 2, 3 speed, and third speed very powerful. It's very powerful. So this speed, high speed, it should run for at least 45 minutes. Very powerful. So let me turn it off for a minute. And let's see what it has more. It came with a strap. You can strap it to the holder. It came with C-type cable. So you can recharge it from everywhere, and also it came with adapter, lighting adapter to charge your iPhone. Like this. Push one button and it's charging. So as I said before, it came with all different adapters. It's to clean your computer. Let's see. Very powerful. All dust will go away. Another one, kinda rubbery adapter. Ooh. And flat one. And one more adapter. And for your face. So you can see, oh man, yeah. So 3 speed, whatever you wanna use in it. You can see my short, how powerful is it. And if you ladies watching me, you can use as a fan to dry your hair. Oh, perfect. But I found one more solution. If you guys like camping, you can use to blow your air mattress. Let me show you in a second. So guys, if you like camping, just push the button, make it high, oh yeah, now a little bit tired and it's a cool down. Nice. So great for camping. So it took approximately, it was time lapse, but original time was around 3 minutes. 3 minutes and done. Also, if you're gonna take a closer look, let me switch it. I'm not sure if you can see it. So battery, can you see these 4 dots? It's still full. Battery is still full. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So you can put it right there. And you're always cool. Now you can see. Under your short, you're always cool. You can take it for a trip in the forest, on the beach, and you're always cool. It's an incredible machine. I would say A+, and very light. Long push, turn it off. Long push, turn it on. 3 times, switch the speed. So another purpose of slide this top, so if you push 2 buttons from this side and that side together, you can remove it. You can put fan back on, or just put holder for your cable and oops, and cell phone adapter. Slide it. Here is the C type cable, and you can charge from any power bank. In my case, I will charge from my power bank. So now I can charge my fan. Can you see it? It's charging. So now it's great to clean your computer, keyboard, long push, turn it on. Now you have first speed, 2 speed, 3 speed. Oh yeah. All kind dust, all kind food getting away. Long push, turn it off. So it's even great for clean computers, laptop, whatever you say. Also it's great for security reason. If you're going to put as a holster, it looks like you have concealed weapon. So you can walk, it looks like a gun, pistol, and people just don't want to mess with you. It's another plus. Also, when you're done your camping, you can actually inflate using this small fan. What you need to do, just flip over and suck air out. See? It works great. Oh. Hardly recommend you. It's awesome, small, light, weight, powerful fan, 3 speeds, and battery is still full. It's gonna last me forever, I guess, before I charge it. Buy it, description below.